How to log in into your HDFC Bank Netbanking account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your HDFC Bank Netbanking account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. You can even do this on your mobile phone. And after you do that, simply search for HDFC Bank login. After you search that, you will see HDFC Bank's website pull up. Now simply tap on the first link that you can see, and after you open it up, you will be in this page right here. Now on the top right side, you will see a login option. Just hover over there and you will see a lot of different options. Now simply tap on net banking. It's basically on the top, and after you do that, you will simply need to type in your user ID. Type in your user ID and simply tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you will need to type in your password, and after you type in your password, you are logged in into your HDFC bank account. And that is basically how you do it, guys. If you ever forgot your customer's ID, you can even reset that from here. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.